Hey guys, it's Sampa. Today we're in part 3 and this is the last part. We're gonna make this thing a success now.
Yes.
Okay?
We're gonna make it explode again.
So we're gonna add the vinegar.
Yes, I'll help you.
Okay,
be careful.
Oh, dang. Oh,
Okay.
stop. Let go.
Just be careful. Let it go. Let it go. Sebas, you're crazy.
Now we're gonna add the coloring things.
Says I'll use it. I haven't even had a turn.
Yes, you have, but okay. Go ahead. Drop it in. Don't miss.
Try not.
Your aim is bad. Okay. One more. Alright, that's enough. Now, this is the part I don't like. Take this off.
And we're gonna put this thing on.
No. You're gonna add the baking soda so I can.
You can just put a normal, not twisted.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, dang! Oh! Jesus Christ. No, you're turning it the wrong way! Hey, it did it for a split second. You see how it shut up? That's all I want. Okay? That's all I want.
It's still full.
Alright, this is a success.
It's going. I'm gonna
Add more baking soda. Are we out?